So hello everyone. Today we want to update some project I had developed by Django as a framework using Python, and we want to Dockerize this project. So we want to work for the Docker Compose, how to write a Docker Compose, and also how to pull an image from Docker Hub and use this image to build multiple of containers. Sorry. So first, I had this project. So it is simple CRUD application that change the long URL to short URL and keep the value or keep the same URL. Just make another name or make a short name. So after what? So here I had my project, and let's see if before was built in a container. So let's check. Has no container, and let's check what are all container. So no container. So here a container is running about was created 27 minutes ago. So we want to delete any container and also remove any image, and let's start from scratch and start from zero. So docker remove, and let's copy this id of container. So let's check, and here we don't have a Django. Okay, let's check the images. So here all the images that was built from other projects. So first of all, that we want to, I had this project. So this is the main, and let's see, we can here write our Docker file. So from Python version 3.8, the work directory will be on the app. Also run command pip install with no cache. Python 3 to install a requirement is it .txt. In my case, I just copy this to work with this image content. After what I want to build in this Docker Compose. So let's build this image. Docker build, and fail not found. So the requirement.txt not found. That check where is. Okay, so the file.txt not found. let's check the content of this file. So let's install. I already have it, but let's make in this .t .txt. So let's get installed this file. So new release from update this package. And let's build Docker. I don't have this file, so let's get from another repository. For example, this e-commerce website. So this is the file. Require .txt. So in my Docker compose, let's check if the name are the same. So also not the same. Let's check the version or Django. Version. So let's check Django admin dash version. So here Django admin, not just Django. Django admin. So I will copy this and paste here. For now, I will copy the file and the image. It will be normally pinned. So it may take a few time. So here it may take in this case we can pull the image from the Docker help, but in my case, I want to try manually to uh, learn more deep how the Docker file can write. So it normally takes the time to build this image. So it's still running and still build this image. Let's check how to build this image. Sorry, build this project to make deployment or build a container for this project. So as I write, sorry, as I wrote, not write, get the image first and we specify the direction and copy the requirement.txt file in this container direction and run this command pip install no cache dir and requirement.txt and copy all the file in this container. Expose by default word is 8 and run this command local on the container to start the project. Python manages the URL server on the local host and with this port, specific port. So 80,000. So after I build doc ignore, why we want to make this file to ignore any sensitive data, any sensitive environment like the database name, the database username, the database host, and the database password. So this is our more sensitive data, so we cannot push on the project. So it will be local. Not local. Ignore. So it's still running the image. I don't know why it is so slow, but so let's use this. It's very simple and let's check. Well, no, it ran successfully. I don't know why we don't run in my first case. So for now, let's check the image, Docker images, and let's see where is the image. So here the image ID without a tag. So I want to remove this image and let's name it or target dash remove image. So the image was successfully deleted. Let's Docker build another image and target with specific name dash T, and let's name Django image, for example. From this area. So in my case, I make a specific name I will target as a Django image. Let's check now. So as you can see here, my image. So this is the image, and I want to build a container for the app and another container from the database. So we can specify the database like PostgreSQL or SQLITE 3, and if I used PostgreSQL, I will make a container and will make a specific requirement and environment, and specific the port. So, and this app, it will depend on the database container. That's all we should make on the Docker Compose, or the Docker Compose can support multiple containers, and this container can communicate each other. So for now, let's see what is the next step. Django is SQLITE 3. So from now, we want to work on the Docker Compose, and in this area I use SQLITE 3. So the SQLITE is embedded database, so we cannot make a container for this and communicate with the container name of the app is the project web. So let on the Docker Compose, let's specify the version 3.8, and let the services I declare my app services, and in the app I will build a container so I built from the Django image that I just already build it, Django image, and the container name specify app, for example, or the environment, or the port before the environment port. So I specify the port 800 and the environment of the project. So let's check from this article something you can add. We can specify but I choose my image. Environment, my example. The volumes, also the volumes. I will mount this up. So sorry. And here on the app, so all the applications let's name the folder of the volume code. Web will run extend local. So let's why Docker Compose change from, let's ask ChatGPT why the Docker Compose, why Docker Compose, why Docker Compose change from framework to other. So Laravel app, not as a Django. Of Laravel may default due to the unique requirement and specific configurations of this framework. So change depend on this configurations related with the framework. So the web here not the web migrate, the web run. And the web run. So in the web run we specify the port. On the web run we specify the port. And we extend also we run this command to developer with the 8000 board. Also extend for the app, and for the web migration I will migrate my schema. So let's run this command or docker compose and see. Docker compose app dash d. Additional property is not allowed. Validations of what? Root. Let's check this error. Additional property is not allowed. I don't know what is the problem, but I think the app I use SQLITE 3, the engine edit SQLITE 3. So maybe we can tomorrow complete this Django Dockerization of this app.